guys, into showing this video after we finish building pad A. We have 4 buildings in this project: A, B, C, E. So we are working today building A. So today is day number 5. We started on Monday. Today is Friday, day number 5 to erect steel structure. So after we put building pad to grade here, we pass inspection for compaction test and proof rolling, and then we dug for footers and put rebar chairs and rebar dowels. Then we poured concrete. And we started this week, Monday, to erect steel structure. Here you can see some details. You can see about, how that's made, like a space here. So there's a piece of plate here. That's anchor bolt 1 inch. And you can see here everything is a plan. Okay, that's extra brace. We have extra brace. This building we have 4 extra brace. You can see that is 1. There's 1 there, 2, and 3 and 4. So we erected the columns, beams, and metal bar joists, and we put the roof decking, metal roof decking at the top of the bar joist as a bundle to get advantage from the crane. We are working from the back end this way, and everything is erected there. Steel shop drawing, and like concrete guys, they gave the erector steel one bolt to elevation, and then the steel crew, they adjusted everything, so that's the elevation. And here you can see, like, after we installed the bar joist, we installed the angle. You can see the angle at the top. That's the angle here. Okay, all the way around, and that is for metal roof decking. So you can see the angle over there. That's the drawing. And then today we started to put another angle, that's the horizontal angle support, and welded. You can see it's welded. Okay, so everything is welding here. Those guys are the welder. So we have 2 crews. 1 crew to erect steel structure, another crew the welder. And after we finish building A, we'll go there to building D, and then C and B. So here, that's the extra brace. And here, let me show you, the canopy. Here we have opening here. So here will be like 4 units. So here, that's hollow metal tube for canopy, so everything is welded. So here, that will be the support for the canopy here. There will be here storefront opening, and that's another one. Everything is welding, and you can see how they weld. Bar joist. Yeah, so here you can see everything is working. So bar joist this way, and the support angle another way. Everything is set to grade. So but here, that will be, I need you to look at this. A hollow metal tube, and everything is welding. You can see welding from inside. You can see they just welded here, like temporary at the point, and then it will come back to welded grades, like line. So you can see here we have a point at the bottom and at the top. Just hold it in place, and later they will do welding and will do inspection for the welding. The welding crew, those guys authorized, they have license, and then they can do their work and set for inspection after they're done. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys. Bye.